Welcome to today's project, coming to you a little bit later this week, and it's a bit of a funny one really. Sorry, Dougal, my other cat, is at the window meowing to get in, but they're all banned from the house this morning. So this project is one I've been talking about for quite a long time, and actually, as the video that I put out explains, all the work that's happening in my house just now. But anyway, this is this project's going to be me making the bed. Now I'm just using quite rough timber to make this bed, and I'm going to be using up some plywood for the headboard and the footboard, or the bottom board. So this is it to start with, just some plain wood here. I have got an idea of the plan in my head. It's a design that my own daughter's got, so I've been over and had a look at that, and I'm going to try and make my own. So this video would be a bit of a funny one. It'd be some clips here and there, might be a little bit of time lapse. Not quite sure how it's going to go, because obviously I'm just filming this at the start of it. So anyway, I hope you enjoy something a little bit different. We'll see how it goes.
Not the ones to blame. We were tired of playing games, no wonder. I know we had our ups and downs, always thought we got around stronger. But we were drifting more apart, and it's tearing up my heart in pieces. 'Cause what we had was long ago. All I know is how it slowly ceases. It ceases in the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire, like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger. Of a stranger, I I've been trying to figure out what we really were about together. We lived in different universes, empty promises for worse or better. The challenges of me and you, what's the point of trying to unravel? Oh, seemed like an easy rendezvous. Now I see I never